Still need to get a smaller 3S to fit right in there. This one's a little bit too big.